Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you about what? Everyone, can you call this fruit? It is the kind of fruit, but do you know its name, everyone? What? Its name? Like this. Want to see the inside of it? Like this, the inside of it. Everyone, what this fruit name? I'm going to tell you. This is Rambutan. Yeah, it is the kind of fruit, everyone, and it is we call Rambutan. And it is a kind of fruit that can help our health to be healthy. So I'm going to taste and tell you about its taste too. Everyone, it tastes so good and so sweet. Yummy. Mm. Mm. Everyone, this is the lifestyle of countryside. Have a lot of fruit like this to eat, even though we don't have money, but we can have it because of most of the fruit are in countryside. It's so yummy, everyone. Wow, it is so dirty we cannot eat it, so take it away like this. Wow. Everyone, when you see this video and if you want to eat the fruit, you can buy it in the market. Because of market, I ever saw that this fruit have what? Have sell in the market. But like I said again and again, for me, I do not spend time to buy it because of my hometown have a lot of it, and my mother give it to me. It's so naturally, everyone. While you are looking at my eating, you can listen to the sound of bird. It's not good because of this. It's so dirty, so we cannot eat. Now I cannot eat to be continued because of I'm enough of my eating, everyone. So now let me say goodbye, everyone. I promise that I will find a good landscape, a good fruit, a good recipe, and how to cook, and also what, a blue landscape like this to show you more for the next video. Thank you everyone for watching my video. Thank you. Goodbye.